Hop in the passenger seat while I put on some nice music as we take a look at some of the interesting things I've seen so far in Indiana. Okay, let's go ahead and start with roads. Now, I know it looks like I'm driving down somebody's driveway, but trust me, this is a road. A lot of the roads have letters and numbers. They don't actually have names. Like, some of the roads are SR then a number, SR standing for State Road, and CR in a number, CR standing for County Road. Okay, now another thing I noticed about Indiana was they love their murals. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at a few. Okay, this one's at a car wash, which makes sense to have cars on the side of a car wash. I don't know if there's any on the back side or not. We'll drive around and take a look. Nope. But you can see what I mean. These people really seem to love the murals on things. This one's in Jasper, Indiana, and you can get an idea of how big it is by looking at the surrounding buildings. Trust me, it's filled with detail, and it's huge. Okay, here's another one commemorating a baseball player, and I can't believe how big it is. It takes up the whole side of the building, and once again, great detail. Here's a closer look. Okay, I came up on this the other day when I was just driving around. Now, I've known houses on stilts actually existed, but I've never seen them up close and personal, let alone a mobile home up on stilts. I can't imagine how they actually got it up there. I mean, I can see a house, you put the stilts up, then you build a house on them. But how they actually got a mobile home up like that is beyond me. Now, a lot of the locals just laughed at me, like, you haven't seen nothing yet. But to me, it's a big deal, because it's nothing I've seen before. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I know it's a little different from my normal videos. I actually mounted the camera outside the car on the passenger side window so y'all can get a better view. Let me know what you think of it. Maybe I'll do more videos like this if you like them. Okay, you know the deal. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.